Hi everyone. Okay, are you ready to learn our new sound today? Okay, show me you're ready. Sit up straight and show me your magnet eyes. Fantastic. So our sound today is s, 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 s. Now these words begin with the s sound. S, s, sun, s, s, snake, s, s, sausage, s, s, skateboard, s, s, sea. Fantastic, well done. Okay, are you ready? So you need to watch, okay? My turn. Your turn. Well done. My turn. Your turn. Well done. Okay, watch. My turn. Slither down the snake. Your turn. My turn. Slither down the snake. Your turn. Well done. Look what I found. It's the same. Snake. Snake. It's the same. Snake. Snake. Should we play our game? Fantastic. Okay. Show me you're ready. Show me your magnet eyes. So when you see this side, you say, well done. And when you see this side, you say, snake. Okay. Let's get ready. Well done. Keep going. Well done, amazing. Okay, so I'm going to say some sounds. I want you to see if you can hear the word. And if you can hear the word, shout out the word. If you can't, don't worry, just say the sounds and then you might be able to hear it. Are you ready? Okay. At. Did you get the word? Let's try together. At. Sat. Well done. Sun. Fantastic. If. Did you get it? If. Sip. Et. Did you get the word? Et. Set. Fantastic. Okay, so now we have just learnt our s, and previously we learnt a and So we're going to do some speedy sounds. Are you ready? You need to show me your magnet eyes for this. This is going to be fast. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to mix them up. Okay, and I'm going to hide our new sound with our other sounds. And every time you see it, I want you to go and show me a sparkle as well. Can you do that? Let's practice. Fantastic. I'm going to hide it in here. Are you ready? Well done for those who can sparkle as well. Let's keep going. I'm going to hide it back again. Let's keep going. Well done. Let's keep going. Well done. Should we do some more? You're doing so well. Let's have one more go. Fantastic, super speedy sounds. Well done. Okay, now you know 3 sounds now, don't you? You're doing so well. Now, what you can do, you can go and you can practice writing your new sound. Remember, when you're writing it, you need to say or slither down the snake. Fantastic, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.